Milan is my adopted city, where I grew up as an artist. Trams are the lymphatic system of the city. The stop bells and brakes, for example, are different in each city. The Industrial Revolution brought a major change in the sound of the city soundscape. Here, Luigi Russolo was the pioneer of the art of noise. Brera Academy was a source of great inspiration too. For example, the handle of an old window became the carrier bit. I touched the surface of the artistic masterpieces, trying to immerse myself in their master thought. In the botanic garden, the gardener, working with his hoe, gave me a very precise hi-hat. There is so much inspiration that Brera is music even before it is being composed. I choose the artistic district of Brera because it is the meeting point between past and present, art and design, fast time and suspended time. Milan has the reputation of the city of fashion, aperitif, businessmen, fast time and distracted people. So I wanted to describe through sounds a Milan that few people know. Poetic, thoughtful, a Milan with an important artistic background and a solid character, no frills. Milan is not only fashion. Milan is a kaleidoscopic set of possibilities ready to believe. No matter how you decide to live, Milan will be on your side and will amplify your sound. If Milan were a musical instrument, it will be a double bass, important, majestic, to play standing.